Animoto review, my honest experience with this video creation tool. Creating videos can be time-consuming, but Animoto promises fast, professional quality results. I tested it, and here's my honest take. Most people assume video tools require advanced editing skills. The surprising truth is Animoto is beginner-friendly while still offering customization for pros. Templates, drag and drop editing, and stock media make video creation straightforward. I started by selecting a template, uploading clips and adding text and music. Platform automatically adjusted timing and transitions, producing polished videos in minutes. Customization options allowed me to tweak fonts, colors and pacing. Animoto integrates with social media, allowing direct sharing to platforms like Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Pricing is transparent, with plans suitable for personal use, marketers or businesses. The downside is that free plans include watermarks and some advanced features are locked behind higher tier subscriptions. Still, the value for speed and ease of use is clear. In conclusion, Animoto is an intuitive, fast and versatile video creation tool for beginners and professionals alike. If you want high-quality videos without a steep learning curve, it's worth trying.